So you've got drive, you've got talent, you've got all the kit you need. The one thing you don't have is any clients. Awkward. So how do you get those leads that turn into jobs? Let me tell you a little story and hopefully it'll help you land your first client. So I used to class myself as a very keen amateur photographer and videographer. I wanted to know what every single button did on my camera. I wanted to know the difference between f1.8 and f18. I wanted to know what every single lens option was out there. And the only way I was going to learn this was if I took my camera out and I started taking pictures and video. Now, although I was taking lots of pictures and video, nothing was really getting any traction. I was going out and filming time lapses on the hills in Devizes, or I was going down to the locks and filming time lapses down there. The real turning point came for me when I bought my Ronin S, and that's quite an old gimbal now, but at the time it was top of the range, and it was the first kind of prosumer gimbal that you could get for under £1,000. That seems crazy now when you think about the Ronin SC or the Zion Crane version 3 or 2. It was a lot of money and I bought it on finance, so it had to pay off for me. So one day I was bored, I didn't know what to do with myself, so I grabbed my camera, I set it up on my Ronin S and I headed into Devizes. I just filmed anything and everything. So I filmed people walking along the streets, I filmed buildings, I filmed local monuments, churches, and I compiled that all into one little promo video of my town that I lived in. I just did it for fun. I compiled it and I put it on Facebook and it got thousands and thousands of hits. And then I thought, well, this is the direction I should be going in. It's getting my name out there, people are seeing my work and I should be making more content like this. So I went out and I filmed everything. I filmed carnivals, lantern parades. I even went and made a video of Remembrance Sunday. And slowly but surely the leads started trickling in. I had a guy contact me about making a video for his jewelry company. And then I made that video, posted it on Facebook, and the guy just across the road who owns a restaurant asked me to make a video for his restaurant. These leads just snowballed and I was inundated with jobs. Eventually I got on the books of quite a big production company and I was working on programs like Doctor Who, Silent Witness, Troy, Holby City, and then I travelled the world working, doing what I loved. And it proves that you don't have to go to university and study film to be working on these big projects. You just need to go out there and start making content. People will see it, people will react to it, and that will turn into leads and eventually clients. You won't ever get to go where you want to go in life if you just sit at home and you wait for that phone to ring. Go out and start filming. Thank you for watching. I hope you've taken something from this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another episode. Thank you for watching and I will see you again tomorrow.